Hello everyone, my name is Jeff Kausch and this is my CSI Capstone video. The goal for my capstone was to create a model V8 engine that would simulate how a real V8 engine would operate. Now starting off this project, I created a V2 assembly to learn more about how an engine worked. A part of this assembly was the valve train. In the end, I didn't decide to use the valve train, but still wanted to design it because I wanted to learn a lot more about engines, which was really the end goal of this project, along with creating the V8. After finishing the V2 assembly, I began working on the first iterations of the V8 assembly and created different crankshafts to test the different firing orders, with this last one here being the one that got the correct firing order. And this video here shows the correct firing order, which gave me the correct information to begin my next steps of the project. With the correct firing order found, I began to redesign and redetail each and every part of the assembly to give it a more professional feel and a nicer look. On screen here, you can see all the different changes I have made. And once I was complete, I began redesigning the piston. With the redesign of the pistons, I created a shorter look on the piston head while lengthening the connecting rod to give it a better feel and overall more looks. And with the pieces redesigned, I began creating an engine block to hold them and begin the final steps of my project. The final steps of my project were finally printing all of my different parts and assembling them. With this came a few different hiccups and errors in the prints. Each and every one of these parts were resin printed. Many failed, but overall in the end I was able to print them all. And here you can see all the different fittings that I was able to create. And with all my pieces printed, I began the final steps of my project, assembling the V8. To do this, I used many different screws, sandpaper, and lubrication, but in the end, it made it work. And after I was able to get this mechanical part working, I used electronics to automatically rotate the engine with no user input. And here you can see the final product. In the end, I'm very proud of what I've done on this project and hope to learn more in the future.